Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day. And as you can see, I got a package here in front of me. This is from Chris Capune, and super excited to open this one. This has been in transit for way too long, put it that way. It's one of those packages where even the post people can't explain why it took the route it did. It left the States, took 7 days for it to get into Canada, stayed in Canada for, I don't know, 10 days or so, I believe. Went back to the States, took another 7 days to get back into Canada, and yeah. Just one of those really weird routes. But anyway, it's here, and that's all I care about. I'm super happy, built up some anticipation in waiting, so I'm going to open this up and see what's inside. I should add, I do know of one, actually I think I know of 2 items that are in here. So let's check it out. Like I said, super excited. I think I'm going to do this off camera because there's some addresses and stuff that I don't want to show. And we'll go one by one. Whoa, what the hell, Chris? I was not expecting that. I will start off with, no particular order, but this is definitely a special one. EVA, a 3KS, I believe. I don't think it's a 4KS. I don't know much about EVAs. I know they make some wicked locks, though. One of the companies that's not associated with Assa and Abloy that make really high security locks. I believe they. I mean, that could have changed by now, but I don't believe they're part of the Assa group. Man. Okay, this is another one that. Wow. Damn. I actually spotted this out for Chris. I seen it on eBay, and I emailed Chris and showed him, hey, this is I think pretty good deal for a really great lock. I wonder if this does anything when you take this off. I know, oh yeah, it comes off. I know Best isn't making these anymore. Oh, that comes out, but this needs to come off with a control key. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Best doesn't make these anymore, so they're, fairly rare. It is an SFIC, but it has this crazy ass armored plate here on the front. Yeah, I don't think they make this anymore. I know there's a padlock version that has the same or similar armored face, and it takes a really long ass control key. Those are definitely not made anymore, and those are definitely pretty rare. People jump on those when they come up. I forget the model number, but here's something wrapped in a paper towel. I'm not sure if it's a key or keys. Oh, right. So this is from Bear's Back. It's master key software that I believe he won from a distributor. I'm having a hard time to get it open, but anyway, I'll check that out. Okay, yeah, holy crap. Here's all the keys. We'll go through these real quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So, first of all, we have some Suki keys, I believe, what these are. They are Schlag. Man, that is a big bow. Thank you, Chris. We have the best keys, and see how long these are? Actually, we have some standard length ones right here. Oops, sorry. They're quite a bit longer. Not too, yeah, a little bit longer. And that's to get by the crazy armoring on this thing. Look at this. Here's our control. Look at this, is really cool. I'm glad I pointed this out to Chris. I think he might have gotten a couple of them. Yep, that sort of dovetails off of there. Same cord that the padlock's taken. Look at the size of this control lug, or whatever you want to call it. It's way bigger. So I think it does take a, I mean, it's obviously a special core. I don't think you'd be able to modify you know what I mean, a normal one to fit in here. Man, that is something else. That is awesome. Always wanted one of these. What a huge ass lock. Chris, thank you so much, man. Jeez, you spoil me. I think you can hold off on giving me any more packages for this. Yeah, this is a couple years worth of packages right here. And I am, oh wow, this is really nice. I do have your package all put together, and it'll be going out within this next week. Mark my words on that. Man, that is cool. I never operated a 3KS, and it feels really nice. Nice detent every 45 degrees because of the, it basically has 4 sidebars. Well, 2 sidebars and a top and a bottom bar, from what I understand. I don't know if I'll ever get this picked. It's pretty intimidating, that's for sure. And when you pick it, you gotta stay out of, you can't like mess with the top and the bottom, and you can't get into the way of this, because when the sidebars come in, 2 little things come and grab this key right here. It's it enables it from not being pulled out, or not, I mean, the sidebars or the sliders would keep it in anyway, but it keeps it from damaging the sliders if you pull on it while it's turned, I believe. And 3 friggin' keys. Man, this is awesome. That's really, really cool, and I like how it's made a bit easier to gut. And we have one beaten up multi-lock key here, and we don't have a multi-lock to show for it, but, well, yes we do. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Man, this has been on my want list forever. I never thought I would ever get one of these. Holy crap. Man, this is really cool. It actually does feel like it's on actual ball bearings. It doesn't feel just like a, you know what I mean, a slip fit. It actually feels like it's on ball bearings. Actually, it may be. I really don't. I've never had one of these. I never really looked into it. But this is going to be so fun to explore. And actually, what I might do, since this key's kind of rough, I do have another multi-lock that I could just repin this multi-lock with and use, you know what I mean, use that key. Or find just a half euro and stick it in there. I forget the length that it needs to be, but that'll be totally plausible as well. Man, again, thank you doesn't seem like enough, Chris, but yeah, and also my package to you doesn't really doesn't seem like enough either, but yeah, I don't know what to say. Man, I can't thank you enough, buddy. You have no idea what this means to me, Chris, seriously. Holy crap. Yeah, what does one say? Jeez. Also, Bear's back. Huge thanks on this. I'm going to check this out, and I'll let both you guys know what I think of it. But, yeah, I'd say look forward to seeing some of these, but I'm not sure about the 3AS. Hopefully I can get into these two, and I'll be able to do videos on those. But again, Chris, I'm going to send you an email right now. Huge thanks, and I'm going to work on getting your package out ASAP. Man, this is awesome. There's something super satisfying about holding a round lock like this. Kind of reminds me of the Ingersoll. Anyway, guys, thanks for sticking with me. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm still friggin' speechless. But yeah, thanks again. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Actually editing a video right now that'll come out probably before this one. So, yeah, that doesn't make any sense. You guys don't need to know that. But anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Take care, guys, and thanks again.